Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we've got a 2019 Kia Forte, and we're going to go over how you would change your air filter. Now, your air filter is on the front left side of the vehicle, say it's your driver's side, and it's right under this cover. So you've got a clip here, you just got to pop back, and there's one clip back here, and this one you move to the left, this one you move to the right, and then you just pop this cover up. Pull out this element. Sometimes these elements are a little stuck. You might need to put a little bit of a screwdriver in there to get these to free up, because over time the heat kind of sticks this down in there. Let's say this is kind of a fairly dirty air filter, so we're going to put a new air filter in there. So you just take the air filter, and if there was a lot of dirt and debris down there, you can vacuum out your air box. But just take your new one, place it back in the orientation with the bigger compartment down at the bottom. And see these tabs right over here? We've got tabs on the back here. We got to make sure that we want to line those up. And then press it down into fit. And lock those clips into place, because that's how you replace your air filter on your 2019 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.